In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and add columns in Monday.com. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently customize your boards and capture exactly the information you need. First, start by opening the project board where you want to add or adjust your columns. Make sure you're on the correct board in your workspace, since each board has its own unique layout and columns. Once your project is open, you'll see your existing columns across the top of the board, like name, owner, due date, and so on. Next, move your mouse towards the top of the board where the column headers are. Look for the area on the far right side of the columns where there's an option to add a new column. In the video, this area is highlighted for you. Click on that highlighted area to open the column options. When you click, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where Monday.com lets you choose the type of column you want to add. Go ahead and click on the drop-down so you can see all the available column types. You'll notice options like text, status, numbers, dates, and many others, depending on how you want to organize your information. Now, from here, we'll first add a simple text column. Find the text option in the list and click on it. This will immediately create a new text column on your board. You can rename it to something meaningful, like notes, description, or anything that helps your team understand what belongs there. Text columns are great for free-form information, quick comments, or extra details that don't really fit anywhere else. Once that's done, we'll add another column type, this time a status column. Again, go back to the same highlighted Add Column area at the top of the board and click it. Open the drop-down just like before, and this time select the status option. A new status column will appear. Status columns are really powerful in Monday.com because they let you track progress with colored labels like working on it, stuck, or done. You can customize these labels later to match your workflow. For example, not started, in review, or approved. This makes it easy for your whole team to see the state of each item at a glance. And that's it. By opening your project board, using the Add Column area, choosing from the drop-down, and selecting text or status, you can quickly tailor Monday.com to your own process.